The costs of building conservatories and extensions are rising beyond control. New building regulations and the need for extensive groundwork is making the whole process messy, time-consuming and expensive. So we designed a new concept that we call the LEKA XI to tackle the problems. The LEKA XI is a warm, sustainable alternative to a traditionally built conservatory base or single-storey home extension. It uses cutting-edge materials such as LEKA Systems' own lightweight GRP framework, usually installed on concrete pads or using ground screws, so that you can have your LEKA XI built in days, not weeks, and make your new living space work exactly how you want, without the usual mess, stress or cost. LEKA Systems, the innovative, lightweight GRP systems company. www.lekasystems.co.uk